Let's find the pattern. First, get your caterpillar pattern set ready and get your pattern cards ready. Look at the pattern cards. Different colors. And on the other side, we have different shapes. Stars, triangles, circles, like this, right? Now, I want to pick one pattern. Okay. All right, I'm going to put these aside. So here is my pattern. I'm going to put it inside the caterpillar pattern set. Okay, look at your pattern. Say it with me. Star, square, star, square, star, square, star, square, star. Faster. Star, square, star, square, star, square. Okay, now let's take our chips and make the same pattern. Okay, first we want to find a star to go here. Let's see. Star. Ta-da! Next is a square, a blue square. Blue square, blue square. Ta-da! Okay, another star. Another star. Another square. Another star. Ooh, this is fun. Another square. Another square. Another star. Another star. Another square. Another square. Another star. Oh, another star. Aha, now we want to flip the chips over to find the star. Star is pink, so we want to flip over one of the pink ones. Ta-da! Da-da-da-da-da. And my pattern is complete. Let's check. Star, square, star, square, star, square, star, square, star. Ta-da!